Hi there, and welcome to StockSync. You can update or add cost per item to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the Feed, Find, or Select cost per item from the Store Product fields, enter the column name or index for mapping. For the Cost per Item field settings, you can set the condition to mark up or mark down products' cost per item. For example, to mark up the price by 50%, set rules as any price multiplied by 1.5. It will multiply all the prices by 1.5. The condition supports complex conditions for more use cases. Next is the cost per item delimiter that can be set accordingly. Choose from comma or decimal, or leave it as auto. Next is the cost per item round, which is used to standardize the product's price. By default, the option would be the same as the price field. The currency converter is for converting the price from feed to store. For example, if the supplier feeds currency CAD and the store currency USD, enable the currency converter and enter the currency in the fields. Lastly, don't update the cost per item when the option excludes certain products from updating the cost per item using this option. It can be excluded by vendor, product type, and product tags. For example, don't update cost per item when vendor Adibas. All product cost per item of vendor Adibas will not be updated. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.